Word on the street is that Walmart just released a ton of their new fall arrivals, so I ordered them all in. We're gonna test them out, style them, and see how they are. Now we have a little bit of everything in here. I had ordered accessories, jeans, sweaters, bags, shoes. Last fall at Walmart, their selection was seriously like top notch. It was the best ever. I actually preferred it to Target and a lot of other brands. So I'm excited to see the roundup that Walmart is starting to drop for fall. I have done tons of research for you guys. I've been really into this like mauvey eggplant color, and I saw this dress and I just couldn't take my eyes off of it. Another great designer look for less. The material, I wish you all could come through and feel the material on it. The fit and flare style, oh my word, she's beautiful. 10 times better on the body. This jaguar knit sweater dress top is just so stunning. Short sleeves, and they aren't a sleeve that really clings to the arm. They're comfortable. It's a really nice, like it's like a thick sweater material, mock neck, and then it's more of that fit and flare style. So it's hugs, cinches around the waistline, then flares out at the bottom of the dress. I love this eggplant purple. I have been really drawn to it this fall season, and I think this is just the perfect combo with some little booties. You also could throw this on with some snakeskin knee-high boots and a cute blazer, and that would be another really great option as it starts to get even chillier outside. But beautiful dress, under $30. It's one of those dresses that you say, yes, this is from Walmart, and people are like, what? So flattering and very, very chic. Now this dress does come in a few more color options, also great for fall. And dresses like this that are really great transition pieces tend to go quick. So fingers crossed, all of these are in stock. You should be able to shop it right here on the screen. Walmart nailed this. So I had shared last fall, Walmart came out with some really good Spanx Look for Less long sleeve pieces, pant options that you guys absolutely loved. Well, this is a new version that they have this fall. The one and done outfit, cinches around the waistline, does have an adjustable band too to get the perfect fit. I love this tan color, but it does come in more color options as well. The jumpsuit does feature pockets. It is so incredibly soft. I love the wide pant fit. It's so comfortable. And then here is the jumpsuit with those sneakers. This material is absolutely incredible. I wish you all could come through and feel it. I know you guys are gonna love this one. So, and it's very easy to layer as we head into the cooler months. Throw a sweater over your shoulder. Great travel outfit. I mean, this is the travel outfit you're gonna wanna grab. So great. 10 out of 10 Walmart. This may be the largest Walmart try on I have ever done. We got some cozy knits here. One of my best friends tried this set and she loved it. I'm like, I have not tried that from Walmart. So I ordered it in. It's a 2-piece one and done set. Really nice sweater material. Ladies, this is gonna be a great travel outfit to just throw on and go. So soft. So whether you're traveling or lounging at home, you're gonna love this one. And I was so excited about that one. I did pick it up in 2 colors. So I got it in that tan, and then I couldn't help myself. I got it in like the purpley brown tone. That is stunning. From lounging at the airport all the way to just being at home, this is going to be a set you want to wear on repeat. I'm so glad that I ended up picking this up in 2 color options. It has the length on the pants is phenomenal. I'm 5'8.5" for reference, and it goes right to the sneakers that I have on. Really cute. I love that it's a 2-piece set. You're not purchasing the top and the pants differently. Nice street style fit, high waist, and it does have the adjustable drawstring waistline. Now, as you can see, this is a hoodie style. The fabric is so nice. It does have the drawstrings. It's like a true sweater material, a stretchy sweater material, and it's not too loose around the arm. It's just very flattering fit. I have it front tucked here, but the length on it is actually really nice that if you want to wear it out, that's really cute too. Definitely would be great if you are pregnant, lots of room. Again, it's that really nice stretchy material, and you guys know my love for chocolate brown right now. So the chocolate brown I'm obsessed with, but can't go wrong with a good tan cream color either. So I love an easy one and done set. Walmart 10 out of 10. It does come in more color options that you can check out here by clicking the item on the screen if you're interested. But I am very excited about this little 2-piece set. All right, moving right along. I'm so excited about all of the trends we're seeing at Walmart this fall. So I feel like I'm here to tell you, you don't need to spend a lot of money to just feel really, the quality of your clothes is really good to feel on trend. Ooh, this chocolate brown. Oh my goodness, I am going to be so obsessed with this. This is a little dress. It's by Free Assembly, size small. The bow details on the arm, I mean, I cannot. This is so adorable. It does cinch around the wrist area as well. Wearing true to size small here. Oh, this is so cute. Immediate 10 out of 10. Does come in one more other color option. Now this is a cotton material, so it's nice and lightweight, but look at the details on the arm. It has like adjustable ties here, but it's just almost like a keyhole on the arm. So really flattering, beautiful touch to the dress. I haven't really seen anything like that this season, and the length is perfect. I'm 5'8.5". It goes to right above my knee. Now I thought the bow on the arm styled with the fringes on these Walmart knee-high boots were really, really cute. So these boots come in a gorgeous tan as well as a chocolate brown. So the chocolate brown also might be great with this if you want to go for like all the chocolate tones in your look, but it does have a little V-neck here, and you actually can close this up into a little keyhole if you want. It has a little clasp here, so wear it open or close it up, and then it does cinch very nicely around the wrist area. I love this dress because it's so roomy. You can throw tights on this, you can throw a cardigan over top of it, so you can wear it now, even with some little white sneakers to dress it down a little bit, and then carry it well into the fall and the winter season. We are going to be seeing these sneakers everywhere fall and winter of this year. So they're a really great designer look for less. Any sneaker this time of year tends to go so fast at Walmart. These are the Low Pro sneaker. They come in 4 color options. Right off the bat, I am so impressed. I think they look just like the real ones, and they do have the nice tread on the bottom. We're going to try them on and see if they round it true to size. These sneakers are so incredibly comfortable. My feet just kind of melt into them, which I was not expecting. So both the jumpsuit and the sneakers do come in more color options that you are going to want to check out. I knew I had gotten a set here. These pants are actually, they go with the blazer. So these are the pinstriped straight trouser pants. So ladies, you go to the office, you need like an office friendly outfit, or teachers, this is going to be a really great option. The belt detail on these pants are so stunning. I cannot wait to style these. Now, if you told me these were from Nordstrom or Express, I would 100% believe you. My jaw like dropped to the floor when I put these on. These are incredible. Free Assembly just launched a new belted trouser. They have the most flattering tailored silhouette, so it just kind of hugs beautifully around the waistline and then goes into more of the straight style. This is going to be so stunning for work. So teachers, the office, it's such a comfortable fit. Free Assembly quality of that brand is truly like, you'll never believe it's from Walmart. Now it's this gorgeous pinstripe. I actually got the blazer to go with this too, which I'll share in just a second. But I wanted you to see just how stunning it looks with just a basic top. It does have pockets, adjustable zip. It does have the zip fly adjustable belt, so you can use this belt for more of like a tailored, sophisticated look, or you can do your own belt or opt for no belt. But I just styled this really nice white sleeveless sweater, some little heels, and 32-inch inseam. So I'm 5'8.5", height to my legs, wearing size 0, so true to size here. And as you can see, I have it styled with some heels, and the length is just perfect. Now, I thought that this blazer looked so designer-esque, so stunning on the website. I love the pin stripe. I think that is so beautiful. It's like a navy with a striped blue on it. Now, a huge trend for fall and winter of 2025 is a little bit of a shoulder pad going on here. So I love it because it elongates the shoulders, slims the waist, just looks very flattering. And this particular blazer does have that little padding on there. So I think this can be worn so many different ways. And then here is the matching blazer, the exact same print as the trouser pant, and the fit on this is super nice too. I would say this is very on trend. For fall winter of 2025, we're seeing a little bit less of those really oversized blazers and more of like a structured, slightly shorter hip area style blazer. So if you're someone who's been like, goodbye to the oversized blazers, I want the shape back, you're gonna love this one. They are sold separately, but they're exact same print, so they mesh and go to bed together really, really well. I love an easy sit. I love that I don't need to overthink it. Style this with the white blouse and you are ready to go, head out the door, and you look like you got something straight from Nordstrom. We got a good transition jacket. I love this color. This is like a really good fall lightweight denim jacket. I am so drawn to this olive color in the fall season. I feel like it just makes such a subtle statement, and time and true, you are a winner with this one. The fabric feels so good. For under $25, Time and True came out with their classic utility jacket that they seem to come out with every year. But this one, dare I say, is definitely the best by far. So the fabric, starting with the fabric, it's 99% cotton. I immediately could tell it's not that stiff, kind of bulky denim that doesn't feel like it moves with you. This has that good amount of stretch to it. It does feature the classic collared neckline, functional buttons, front chest pockets. The length on the arms is really nice too. In years past, I've kind of felt like utility jackets have just felt bulky on me, kind of short, boxy style. The arms never went to like my wrist area. And by the way, side note, gold jewelry with the olive tone is like key here. But I did go ahead and style it over the black knit top and the skirt, dress it up a little bit. It's a nice layer for the fall season. This particular listing comes in the olive as well as the medium wash. Something about this olive tone with a good black and white outfit is so good for fall. But the length is great. You definitely could wear leggings with this as well. Wear it casual, wear a little bit more dressy. I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of cinches in a little bit around the waistline, which just gives such a flattering fit. So huge win, and under $25. Stripes are going to be a big thing this fall, I know. And like always, everything that I share in today's video will be listed down below in the description box, but the easiest way to shop is here on the screen. You'll see a little product icon pop up. You click that and it'll take you right to Walmart's website to shop. So that's the easiest way. This little midi dress is so stunning. Right off the bat, the quality feels nice. Really anything from Free Assembly brand is mainly cotton. It's breathable, it washes well over time, and I love the fall colors in this one. Easily styled with some knee-high boots, which I have some knee-high boots that I shared in my latest Walmart fall video that I think would go so beautiful with this. I love the dresses in today's video, but I'm gonna make a bold statement and say if you get one dress, let it be this midi shirt dress. You can carry this to the office, brunch with your friends on the weekend, dinner out, and it can be just transformed so many different ways simply by the accessories that you choose to style with it. So I styled some knee-high boots. These are suede knee-high boot, all actually from Amazon, but they're really good Steve Madden look for less. Now this does feature your typical collared neckline, functional buttons. It's 100% cotton. The fabric is really nice, movable, feels breathable. And then look at the waistline here. It does come with the belt, but you can see it kind of has that trendy dropped waist there, which just really hugs the waistline and feels really flattering. I'm wearing my true to size small. It is available in sizes extra small through 4X, and you wouldn't guess it, but it has pockets. They're so seamlessly done. It doesn't add any bulk to the dress. I love the stripe color. The particular dress does come in 2 more color options as well. But overall, I am so impressed. I feel like this was more of a risky purchase for me. I wasn't sure I was gonna like the length, the style, and then it just hugs in all the right places. 10 out of 10. Definitely a beautiful fall dress from Walmart. You'll get so much wear out of. Perfect for the classroom, perfect for teachers. And then as I said, throw this on with some sneakers for more of a casual look. Let me know in the comment section, do you like more of the unboxing style or do you like just a full-on try on, no unboxing? This little tote that Walmart just released is literally a Free People look for less. This is that very popular puffer tote that has the full zip. I would say this feels a little bit smaller than the Free People one, but everything else feels the same. It features the pocket on the inside. I love that it has a full zip. And honestly, if you're someone who doesn't like a huge tote, you're probably gonna actually prefer this one. You still can fit a lot in here, but again, it's not quite as big as the Free People one. This tote, I feel like, is the perfect addition to this outfit. It's more of a casual tote. And as you can see, kind of in relation to my body, it's pretty big, but it does feature the full zip across the top. It does feature a zip on the inside as well, which is really nice. But there's something to be said about the convenience of just having one strap. It doesn't fall off my shoulders like 2 straps do. I just really, really like that.